L is for lion with Hopi. Hopi woke up with a giant wiggle and a big, happy smile. Today was a very special day. She was going on a grand adventure to find things that start with the letter L. Let's go look for lovely things. Hopi laughed as she skipped out the door. The sun was shining bright, just like the fruit Hopi found in the garden. She picked up a round, bumpy, yellow lemon. It felt cool in her hands. L is for lemon, she shouted. It was a very bright way to start her search. Suddenly, Hopi heard a friendly, rumbling sound from behind a big bush. Out stepped Leo, a brave lion with a magnificent, fluffy mane. He wasn't scary at all. He was ready to play. L is for lion, Hopi cheered. Hopi and Leo decided to explore together. They walked softly through the tall grass until they saw something tiny moving. They both leaned down low to get a better look at a small friend. L is for ladybug, they whispered. The tiny ladybug had bright red wings with shiny black spots. It crawled slowly onto a giant, vibrant green leaf. The leaf was so big it looked like a bed for the little bug. L is for leaf, Hopi said, pointing with a grin. As they kept walking, they spotted a long lizard resting on a warm, flat rock. He was a beautiful shade of emerald green and stayed very still in the sunshine. Leo tilted his head. L is for lizard. The sky began to turn a soft purple as the sun went down. Hopi led Leo back to her house. Inside, she reached up and clicked on a glowing lamp. It filled the room with a warm, cozy light. L is for lamp. Hopi remembered she had a special treat in her pocket. She pulled out a giant, sweet lollipop with a beautiful pink and white swirl. It looked delicious and sugary. L is for lollipop, Hopi exclaimed. Hopi knew that adventures are better when you share. She held out her lollipop so Leo could see it too. They both thought the sweet treat was the perfect end to their long day. L is for licking, they laughed. Hopi gave Leo a giant, soft hug. They had found so many wonderful L things together. L is for love, Hopi whispered. It was a lovely day for a girl and her lion friend. L is for lion with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.